Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Menteri Rangba ka West Bengal ka Badairu ka Nongelam ka Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee kalawan poi da ka Katling Sun ho Umroi Airport Ribhoi District banta ka singi khadar tarik unok pra ar hajar ar puar. Ha kajingwan jo ka Mamata Banerjee lalit ban pediang sungobha da unong yalam ka TMC Meghalaya Dr. Mukul Sangma haringkat ka jingedan lang jong u MLA ka Umroi constituency uba George B. Lingdo uba Charles Pingro bat kiwe. Kajingwan juga Mamata siya kanong basulong kalong banyashim benta ha kajing elang bapher bat kumju ru ha kajing lekmen Christmas. Kani gade kasien ka Banyngkong baka Mamata kan wan siya Meghalaya. Lasay kasingi ka Mamata kan non kajing elang bat kinong tray ka seng TMC ka Meghalaya bat hadian kata kanay banyashim benta ha kajing lekmen Christmas.
We, the Meghalaya TMC, across all rank and file, are extremely enthusiastic to receive our chairperson, Srimati Mamata today, and we look forward to addressing our executive. Rather, the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this, and we'll be welcoming her.
That will be beneficial for the people, and it will be a promise that we as leaders and the party under the leadership of Ms. Mamata Banerjee will be unfolding tomorrow and telling the people of the state where we want to take them forward to.
How enthusiastic are you about this visit?
So this is very important visit for all of us because the blessings of the chairperson of the TMC is very important, and her guidance and experience, especially the way that the government has served the people of Bengal, how people's aspirations have been fulfilled in the past 15 years. That is a lesson for us to learn, and also to teach us as to where to take the state to, considering the fact that we need more and more support for the citizens of the state.
BJP is saying that learn from Assam way of governance. Is TMC saying that learn from Bengal way of governance?
Assam way of governance we have seen, encroaching borders, killing people. So we don't want that kind of a governance. Bengal has stood fast against the might of the BJP, and that is what we are here for, to stop the BJP from trampling upon the rights of the citizens, upon the minorities, and upon the Christians.